In this video, you'll learn how to add an image to a post or a page. Here I am on the website Healthy Spinach Recipes. So what I've done is gone to a popular photo site called Deposit Photos, and I've looked up a spinach salad image. The small is 868 by 576. Medium is 1735 by 1153, and large is 3011 by 2000. If you have anything that is small and above, I would recommend sizing it down. You're actually probably okay with small if you don't size it down, but if you consistently add images that are 17 to 3000 pixels wide, you're going to pull on a lot of your site's resources and potentially slow your website down. I'm just going to drop this image on my desktop for now. It's nice and easy. You might have a place where you like to store them. You can go ahead and store it wherever you like. But what I'm going to do is just quickly show you PicMonkey. So this is a free site. You don't even need an account. You can get one if you like. But you just go to picmonkey.com, click on Edit, find your image, and let that upload. That did that fairly quickly. Click on Resize. Set the size you want. So I'm going to go with 500 and click Apply, and then just go to Save. You can give it a different name if you like, and that's actually good for the search engines. So I will give it a spinach strawberry salad, which will be good for anyone searching spinach strawberry salad. That's a tip as well, because if you are using those kind of keywords in your description of your image, that could potentially show up in image searches as well as showing up, getting people to your website as well. So I'll go back to the site page. Now I'll click Edit Post. It's quite easy to add images. You just need to hover your mouse to wherever you would like the image to be, and then you want to create the space for it. So as you can see, I want it right at the top here, but there's already text here. So I'm just going to hit enter 2 times, or actually 1 time works, and then make sure my mouse is up above. So you can move that with your cursor. Then click Add Media. Let that upload, and then over to the right you will see some information about the image you just uploaded. It will give you a URL, and that's basically where it has stored that image on your hosting. So you don't have to worry about that, but that it does have a location. It will give it a title, and you can edit that. That will be helpful when people are searching and looking for some information. If you would like a caption below your image, you can fill out the caption box. This may or may not work. It depends on your theme. So if your theme is set up to use captions, this will work. If it isn't, it won't. Your alt text is the text that will show up if your image is for some reason broken. So you could put healthy spinach salad, something like that. You know, the topic of this website is healthy spinach recipes, so I might put healthy spinach salad, and then you can add a description. Again, can help you get found. Easy. Now you don't want to repeat the same words over and over again, so I'm going to put easy spinach and strawberry salad. And then we also, if I go back to the title, I just wanted to give you a little bit more information about the title. The title doesn't actually show up on your post. What happens is when you're on the page, and I'll show you the page or the post, and you hover over, that's where you'll see the title. So it's a place for additional information, so that when people hover over that image, they will see that information. You now have some image settings that you can use. You can left align, right align, center, or none, and none will basically left align, but it won't align text around it. So if you put none, it's just, it will be sitting on the left medium of your page. Now this is one of the things that people often forget to change, so I want to draw your attention to the link to part. It automatically links to your media file, which means it links to itself. It basically, if you click on the image, it will link to either a bigger version of the image if you didn't downsize it, or just the same version of the image without the actual page content. What I want you to do is click this and click none, and then it won't link anywhere. If by chance you want it to link somewhere like a different website, you can use custom URL, or maybe you want to send it to another page of your website, you can use the custom URL. So what we can do is use full size, medium size, or a thumbnail. So we'll just leave it at full size, 500 by 332, and click Insert into Post. Now you can see it's nicely centered over the top, and we're going to click Update. And I will click on View Post, which will bring us to the post. Another thing you can do, instead of just clicking View Post, what I like to do is hold my Control button down and then click View Post. It's going to open up in a new tab, so I don't lose the editor, and then I can just go back and forth quickly. If you're clicking and you're waiting, then it can take more time. So I like to do this, and then I just hit the refresh button, which is this circle here, and that will refresh the page so I can see the changes without necessarily having to wait while I click View Page. So you can see it looks nice here, set up on the page in the center. When you click on this image, you can click a little pencil that's showing up. So there we go. Here it is, link to media file. This is the option I don't want you to do. And then click Update. I will click Update here on the post, and then I'm going to go back to my other tab, hit refresh, and show you what happens when it links to the media file. You see, people will move their mouse around and they'll see that this is clickable. They'll want to click it and it brings them here. And this is a dead end. You don't want to give people dead ends on your website, so you want to make sure you do edit that and remove that to none. So that's how you add an image to your post, and you do the same exact thing in a page. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoy adding images to your pages or posts. Take care.